At the conference, I'll be presenting some of our experience as Hitachi working with many customers around digital transformation. I'll present some very practical use cases around improving quality, improving production flow, reducing downtime. But probably most importantly, I'm going to build a case for the role of Lean Six Sigma and the role of the Lean Six Sigma Black Belts to be central to that digital transformation effort. I think this event matters right now because so far from what I've seen, this synergy has been yet to be realized. Companies that can bring those two pieces together early will move ahead and accelerate in their transformation. So the timing is perfect. So I hope to see you at the conference and look forward to talking to you.